Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar. Heartily welcome to my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. In this session I am going to deal finding the day of a week on a given particular date. This session is most useful for all type of competitive exams like SSC, RRB, bank exams, state level, group 1, group 2 and sub-inspector of police, etc. In this topic you may get 1 or 2 questions. Do you want to increase your ability? Then watch the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you need of interesting concepts and short tricks, then subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you need of basics of the calendar, then click this I button as well as you can go with playlist also. Let us see model number 1. This is day and months are same, years are different. So in this case, day and month both are same. Different years when we need to find. One example problem here. 12th March 2018 was Sunday. What will be 12th March 2022? 12th March 2018, 12th March 2022. 12th March and 12th March. Both are same date and same month also. Years only here different. So on 12th March 2008 was Sunday. What will be 12th March 2022? We need to find out. So see here 12th March 2018 to 12th March 2019, that will be 1 year. To 12th March 2019 to 2020, it will be 1 year. And 2021, that is 1 more year. 12th March 2022, that is 1 more year. Now, what are the odd days of the years? So first you have to check it once. The given year is leap year or non-leap year. Leap year means you know that is. A year is which is divisible by 4, that is leap year. Which is not divisible by 4, that is non-leap year. So divisibility rule 4 also we know. Last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So just you have to check it, last 2 digits, 19. 19 means it is not divisible by 4. Not divisible by 4 means it is the non-leap year. Non-leap year we are getting odd days will be 1. Odd days will be 1. 2020, just here you can check it by 4. 4 means it is divisible. Divisible means it is the leap year. 2020, 20 is the leap year. Leap year we are getting number of odd days is 2. 2021, it is not divisible by 4. Number of odd days will be 1. 2022. Last 2 digits are 22. 22 means it is not divisible by 4. Means it is also non-leap year. Means we are getting the odd days 1. Total you have to count out. That is 5. 5 means, so now you can find 12th March 2022 equal. So 12th March 2018 was Sunday. So number of odd days we got here 5. Sunday plus 5. Sunday plus 5 means that is Friday we can get. 5. 5 means Friday. Already we discussed in the previous classes. 0 Sunday, 1 Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday. Next, here one trick will be also. Trick also you can use. So what is the trick means? Just here years, date, 12th date, 12th date. Year, month, both are same. Just you have to subtract 2020 to 2022 to 2018 you can subtract. Subtracting means we are getting 4 we are getting. In this 20 to 2018, 2018 to 2022 only we have 1 leap year. So how we have to find the leap year? We can discuss that one also. So 1 plus 4, that is 5. 5 means, so Sunday plus 5. Sunday plus 5 means that is the Friday. One more example. Example number 2. 23rd March 1835 was Saturday. What will be 23rd March 1882? So here date and months are same, different years. So same previous type only this is also. So short trick we are following here. Now you can take 1882 minus 1835. So that years we are subtracting. So 1882 to 1835 we can subtract means we can get 47 non-leap years plus we can get 12 leap years we are getting. 12 leap years. So how we got the leap year here? Just you have to check it here. 1882 nearer above leap year you have to take. Nearer above leap year. 1982 nearer above leap year is 1884. 1884. 1835 nearer above leap year was 1836. So 8 here 48. So this 48 you have to divide with 4. 4 ones are 4 12 are. Means 12 leap years we are getting and 47 non-leap years we are getting. 47 non-leap years and 12 leap years. Now we can add this 47 plus 12 that is 59. That is 59. 59 you can divide with 7. 7 8s are 56 means 8 complete weeks plus 3 odd days. 3 odd days. So number of odd days equal 3. Now here 23rd March 1835 was Saturday. So Saturday plus 3. So Saturday plus 3 it is this is the process. So just years here date and months are same, only years are different. So we can subtract the years. So in that how many leap years, how many non-leap years we can add. Adding afterwards. So here we got the days. This one you have to convert into the, we can convert into the odd days. How many odd days we have to get? So how odd days how we are getting? Divide with 7 we are getting the odd days. So 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 3. 3 odd days we got here. 8 complete weeks plus 3 odd days. So number of odd days will be 3. So 23rd March 1835 was Saturday. Saturday plus 3 plus 3. Next one more example. Example number 3. 5th March 1999 was Friday. What will be 5th March 2000? So here date and months are same, only differ years. So we need to find out difference of the years. So 2000 minus 1999. That we are getting 1 year we are getting. So in this any leap years are not. So 1999. 1999 is the not the leap year. 2000 is leap year or not? Just check it. So 2000 means so up to 2000 we are taking January, February and March 5th we are taking. Means in this February month also we are calculating. So in 2000 year 2000 we are calculating February month. February month means it is the leap year. So leap year we are getting 2 odd days. 2 odd days. Number of odd days equal to 2. 5th March 1999 was Friday. Means Friday plus 2. That equal Sunday we are getting. That is Sunday. Next example number 5. 1st January 2004 was Thursday. What will be 1st January 2005? So here date and months are same, only differ years. So you can subtract 2005 minus 2004. We are getting only 1 year we are getting. So in this leap years there are not, you have to check it. So 2005 is not the leap year. 2004 is the leap year. But which date it is started? It was started. So first January 2004, February 2004 means 2004 is the leap year. Means we are getting the 2 odd days we can get. So 2 odd days. Number of odd days equal to 2. Means on 1st January 2004 was Thursday plus 2, that equal, we are getting Saturday, we are getting, that is Saturday. Next, one more example. Example number 5. 7th January 1992 was Tuesday. What will be 7th January 1997? Here date and months are same, years are different. Just we need to subtract the years. 1997 minus 1992. 1997 minus 1992 we are getting 5 non-leap years we are getting. Plus leap years we need to find out. So here 1997 above nearer leap year we need to take, that is 2000. 1992 above near leap year we need to take, that is 1992 is also leap year only. 1992 you can take, that is we are getting 8, we are getting 8 by 4. 8 by 4 means 2 leap years we are getting. 2 leap years, that equal 5 plus 2, that is 7. So 7 days. 7 days means 1 complete week plus 0 odd days. So here number of odd days will be 0. Now here we need to find 7th January 1997 we need to find. 7th January 1992 was Tuesday plus number of odd days will be 0. So Tuesday plus 0 we are getting same day only, we are getting Tuesday. This is the about model number 1. Day and months are same, years are different. Next, one more model. This is model number 2. Day and years are same, months are different. Previously, day and months are same, years are different. Here, day and years are same, months are different. See one example. 2nd March 1994 was Wednesday. What will be 2nd November 1994? So dates 2nd 1994. Years also same, only differ, that is months. So here, see here, 2nd March. Now we need to find every month odd days, number of odd days we need to find out. So March, here 2nd March month it is having 31 days. So 2 days already completed, means only 29 days we are getting. In that odd days how many? 7 4s are 28. 28 complete means 4 complete weeks plus 1 odd day. 1 odd day. Next, April, that is 2 odd days. May, 3 odd days. June, 2 odd days. July, 3. August also we are getting 3 odd days. September, 2 odd days. October it is 3 odd days. November up to 2nd, 2 days only it will be we are taking, means only we are getting 2 odd days we are getting. Now this total you have to take. Total means here 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 11, 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 2 that is 21. So total days here will be 21. 21 means in these 3 complete weeks plus 0 odd days. So 0 odd days. So here 2nd March 1994 was Wednesday. Wednesday plus 0. 0 odd days will be. So Wednesday 2 we need to add 0 means we can get that one only. So Wednesday only we can get. So that way day will be Wednesday. So 2nd March 1994 was Wednesday means 2nd November 1994 also we are getting same day. Next one more example. Example number 2. 4th March 2011 was Sunday. What will be 4th August 2011? So here date and years are same, just differ by months. So now we can take March month. March it is having, we need to find the just odd days. Odd days we are calculating means we are getting that answer. So March it is having 31 days. Already 4 days it was completed. 31 minus 4 that is 27. So 27 means we are getting 6 odd days we are getting. So 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 6 that is 6 odd days. Next April. April month we are getting 2 odd days. May 3 odd days. June 2 odd days. July that is 3 odd days. August up to we are taking as 4 we are taking 4. So total you can take total days that is 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 that is 20. So 20 days total days will be 20. So 20 days in how many odd days we are getting? Means so 20 we need to divide with 7 means 7 2s are 14. 2 complete weeks plus 6 odd days. So 6 odd days we are getting and 2 complete weeks. So here 4th March 2011 was Sunday means Sunday plus 6. Sunday plus 6 that is Saturday. That will be Saturday. Saturday. When you will practice more and more, you can get the concepts easily. I hope you are enjoyed this session and this session is very helpful for you. Don't forget like and comment. Don't forget subscribing the channel. We will meet in the next video with different type of models. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.